also about aligning with the best, okay? Aligning with the best doesn't mean, of course, that we only work with the most expensive, by the way. So aligning with the best just means that you have to align with the best team. The best team are not the team that just says, oh yes, yes, ma'am, yes, sir, we agree. Thank you so much, sign off, okay, thank you. But you also need an agency partner or media partner or teams that are going to be challenging you as well, right? It needs to be kind of robust. And you can't just work with people who just think you are just brilliant and whatever you say goes. Because then it's only just your outlook that, that's being put up front, but you're missing out the opportunity to really cook something much more amazing. Because we know, particularly today, in the ideas democracy, ideas come from anywhere, from a junior member of staff. A junior writer can come up with an amazing award-winning concept now. It's no longer that the big guys are the only ones creating great work. So you need to be open to advise and be open to what agencies are saying to you, and vice versa, of course. As a team, we need to be honest and open. Because I think I meet too many people that are scared of their clients, and a lot of their clients who love the fact that their agency is scared of them. And I think that is not a good recipe for great work. You will clock in, you will leave, you'll never create great work.